Koe taleniti, Miss Lady Maria Australia, koe Kailao. Koe Kailao, au taleniti, o iloa ia koe war dance. O whanua nai o mai palonvaia o houma, pe mei futuna pe amo uvea. Nā ku manako pe ki he whaivani talo i ku KCE, he wiloa ia i he Pasifiki Tonga, i hono whaawhaiwai, he lau tohi pureanga, nau kau ki ai. Koku te unga, he ikai ki utoe whakaiki atu, ka koe au ka kala ia pe mei he paki mo to i kolo kakala. Tua o whātu, Miss Lady Maria, Australia.
E o tangata e ua ki moa tai minia o nā o pate Kailao me o tawha ki te gas mai misi ka o ngata mani una rato tai mini mani una tu ua pe tai mini ua whamona maure atu ta koe misi ene ta hawa kuni koe ta haka o kope au ka tama koe ua koe ta waka oa tapura ia
Haukau Kailao. Teki lanu hina pembelan kula peke no falan hina ne mamutu. Sis kakala peke no kahoa kakala. Wiai pembo e mata pule ku tokoni ki ai. Iho no Haukau ai Kailao. Wa to taha ku tape na fahi fonga Stacy. Tawato pito ai Kailao ai Miss Lady Maria Australia. Soana Sipso Haukau Suka, out Felenite Harbour Bridge, brand new day. Kono talenite o whare ari e whia whini koe Kailao. Kei manatu pēa e Miss Heilala ka ni ke taim nei he lau tohi pore anga ai ka tā whakene Faiva tu whanua a Tonga. Maria Australia. Bohono Hawaii for Stacy. Kamata ke ono e Miss Lady Maria ki Halaia.
Soana Faiva Jr. We'd like to thank her drummer and her co-dancer as well.
That's
what
right.
a great way to exercise.
Absolutely. When
by
she's
doing
not
a traditional dance.
when she's not swimming with her fishing net, she's also getting ready for war. So congratulations, Miss Soana Faiva.
We should give her a fitness award because she swam really well, and then she did the Kailao like no one else. Amazing. That's our 6th contestant.